Hi everyone, myself Aryan. Today I will draw our India map and I will decorate it with our national tricolor. So how I will make, we'll see now. So I need one A4 sheet paper, two fabric colors, green color, saffron color, pencil, eraser, glue, and rice. And I will decorate it with rice. That's why I took rice. Now I will draw a India map. So now I have done. I took saffron color and I will mix it with rice. So I have done. Now I will take green color and I will mix it with rice. So I am done with two colors with rice. So I will divide now in three parts like our national flag. And I will put glue on it one by one. Now I will put glue on top. Now I will put saffron color on it. Now I will put glue on bottom part. Now I will put green color on it. Now I will put glue on middle part. Now I will put white rice on it. So now our India map with our decoration is ready. Saffron, white and green. जय हिंद, भारत माता की जय।